You're listening to Historical Perspectives with Mr. Malt. Learn about life by looking at our history. Teachers, for more information about historical perspectives, search Mr. Malt's Marketplace on Teachers Pay Teachers or at mrmaltmarketplace.com. Happy learning! The power of wind. How moving air makes energy. What is wind? Wind is moving air. The sun warms Earth unevenly. Land heats faster than water, and different places get different amounts of sunlight. Warm air rises and cooler air moves in to take its place. That movement of air creates wind. Sometimes it is a gentle breeze, but sometimes it is strong enough to bend trees. How do people use wind? People have used wind for a very long time. Long ago, sailors used wind in sails to move ships. Farmers used windmills to pump water and grind grain. Today, we use large machines called wind turbines to change the energy in moving air into electricity that we can use in homes and schools and hospitals. How does a wind turbine work? A wind turbine looks a bit like a giant pinwheel on a tall tower. When wind pushes the blades, they turn. The blades are connected to a shaft inside the turbine. The shaft spins a generator that makes electricity. The turbine changes one kind of energy into another, from the wind's motion, kinetic energy, into electrical energy. Engineers design the blades and tower so turbines work well in places with steady wind. Where do wind turbines belong? Wind turbines can be placed on land or out in the ocean. Offshore turbines often catch stronger, steadier winds. Planners choose locations that are windy enough and where the turbines will not harm people, wildlife, or important places. They also connect turbines to power lines so the electricity can travel to cities and towns. Why is wind energy helpful? Wind energy makes electricity without burning fuel. That means it doesn't produce smoke or the gases that can change Earth's climate. Wind is a renewable resource. That means it won't run out because the sun keeps warming the Earth and making air move. Using wind energy can help reduce pollution and save fuel for other needs. What are challenges with wind energy? Wind doesn't blow the same all the time. Sometimes there is little wind and turbines make less electricity. Energy planners often combine wind with some other sources, like solar or stored energy, to keep the lights on when wind is weak. Some people worry about how turbines look on the landscape or about birds and bats that might fly near the blades. Engineers and scientists are working to make turbines safer for wildlife and quieter for nearby communities. How can we learn more or help? You can observe wind by flying a kite, or watching flags, or timing how long it takes a leaf to blow across the playground. Building a simple pinwheel or maybe a small model turbine helps show how moving air turns blades. Discuss with your class where a wind turbine might be placed near your town and what benefits or problems it might bring. Small actions like learning and sharing facts help your community make smart choices about energy. Thanks for listening to this Historical Perspective. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe. Also, search for Historical Perspectives on Teachers Pay Teachers to learn more about other topics, such as the Golden Gate Bridge, Henry Ford, schools in the early 1900s, and so much more. Happy learning!